Today is Mindful Melt. Today we are going to try another mindfulness exercise. We will use our imaginations to guide our thoughts and feelings and pay attention to how these experiences affect our bodies and minds. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Now, as you sit with your eyes closed, imagine that you are a snowman. Paint a picture in your mind of yourself as a snowman. Build your body. Picture your snowman clothes. Add some arms and a nose. Now, imagine the scene around you is a beach. You are a snowman relaxing on the beach. Feel the warm sun on your face. Feel your snowman face grow warm and gently begin to melt down into your snowman neck. Feel your neck grow warm and slowly melt into your shoulders and chest. As your chest and our heart grow warm from the sun, feel the gentle ocean breeze float by. Feel the rest of your snowman body slowly melt into the sand until you are completely relaxed, as if your own body has just gently melted into your seat. Pay attention to your body now. What feelings are you experiencing? Where in your body do you feel those things? Pay attention to your heartbeat. Feel the slow, even rhythm. Pay attention to your breathing. Recognize the pattern of your breath. As you open your eyes, take note of the rest of your body and how it is feeling in the moment.